gotta admit, this bike kind of scares me. It's like, no matter what gear you're in, the front wheel comes right up. It's literally no effort at all. Talking to the YouTube people.
Oh, Dork. What's up, YouTube?
Yeah.
What's up? Welcome back. What's it been, a week?
Yeah.
Slacking last week.
Nah, weekly videos, bro. I put one out. Last week was when I got this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It felt longer than that.
I know, it did, though.
Just stayed up.
Yeah. They're all the way down there. Alright, come on, let's go down here and turn around. They're out here doing supermoto shit. This is so much fun. I can't even get off this shit.
It's my antifreeze.
Like a motherfucker.
Right?
Yeah.
Me and Rob opened this earlier to check it.
That shit's all wet up here. I wouldn't open it right now. Hold on, before you pull that.
It is open. It's not even tight. It's not even on all the way.
So right here, I don't know why, but my camera lost audio. But I'm sitting here talking to two crackheads, and they're like, yeah, go wheelie. And I'm like, oh, I don't know how to wheelie. So I go out here, and I'm like, all right, here goes a little wheelie. And then I spin around the block, and I'm like, yo, you just taught me how to do that. And they were all hype about it. Yeah, so this is where I come back to him, and he's like, yup, I just taught him how to do that. This other guy comes up all hype as shit. This is a little nice spot we found. I'm pretty sure It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia is filmed around here. This was a nice chilling spot to park up. This is a beautiful shot of the city. Yeah, he's like, I think he's looking for me. controller. Ah, shit. Fuck that. Man, I hate that. My shit said it was on fucking time warp. So I don't know what kind of footage I just got. But this is where we're at right now. And it's fucking beautiful, man. I'd never be able to come out here on the fucking Suron. Yeah, it's like speed bumps in the road or something. Fucking ground. That was steep as fuck.
I just have a tidal mind.
No, I don't want to do that again. Wait till I got the sumo wheels on.
God, that's grassy. What the fuck?
Yeah, bro, fuck that. that one turn, bro. I fucking took the turn and I was like, oh shit. So I hopped off. Wow.
Where are we going? Dude,
Wherever.
I thought we were coming up to this, but it's blocked off.
And we're at the Art Museum. That's crazy, bro. That trail gets you here fast as shit. Yeah.
You want to go down the steps?
Okay, let me see you go down them first. Yeah. You got that. Just lean back. I'm not trying to crash my dirt bike. I want to see that. Come on, hit him. I got wet tires. I was slipping the whole fucking time. Let's see if he hits him. Is he gonna do it? Shut his bike off. Hit that shit.
I ain't got it in.
Nah.
How's my dropping my bike today?
Yeah, I want you to drop the bike. So we have a short video. Well, I don't even know how long the video is, but we have a lot of technical difficulties in this video. I know I lost audio at one point, but overall, man, I love this bike. It's, if you have a Suron, honestly, just get rid of it and get a supermoto bike, because you don't have to worry about running out of battery. I'm the kind of guy I like being out all night, and like, you're so limited on how you ride when you have a battery, you know what I mean? You're constantly watching that percentage go down the entire time. But we went everywhere last night and didn't have any problems. If I start running low on gas, I just get more gas and keep riding. I love it way better. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully I'll film again next week. It looks like all rain, but we'll figure something out.